Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
We have started now offline classes from yesterday 21st and yesterday सगळे ITIनी काल आमकां 45% अटेंडन्स मेळ्ळा आणि आज इज roughly 55 to 57% मेळ्ळा and we don't have any complaint from either from student or from their parents anywhere, either from पेडण्या काणकोण आमचे सगळे 10 ITI आसा गोंयांत आणि हे सगळे 10 ITI आमचे सुरू जाले स्मूथली सुरू जाले. So we have not received any negative things from either from anybody, maybe public or something. So 55, the remaining we expect in this week only that it will go to more than 90%. I think there is no problem at all.
ITI start from 21st as per the guidelines issued by Director General of Training, Government of India. Advisory has been issued to the entire country to reopen the ITIs and skill development institutes. So as per that advisory, we have opened the ITIs with the approval of state government, and also as per the MHA Unlock Guidelines 4, wherein it is mentioned that skill development institutes and ITIs across the country can reopen. So with following certain protocols and SOPs which have been issued by MHA as well as DGT. So we have followed all the protocols. Received around 70% of the trainees have reported back. The first shift trainee count was 156. Around 104 trainees have reported. So that is close to 70%.
आमकां आतां सद्या तरी मेंटेन करपाक सगळें आसा तशें पण कितें जातलें खबर ना फुडें.
ना तरी न्ही मास्क हें तें तुमकां प्रोवायड केलां गव्हर्मेंटा हितूर
गव्हर्मेंटान दिला सकाळीच मेळ्ळा आमकां.
आनी तुमकां कितें प्रॅक्टिकलाक लागून आपयल्या?
ना आतां आमचे खुबशे पोर्शन लॅक जाला न्ही,
हय
त्याच बद्दल आमकां आतां अशें शिकपाक आपयलां आनी तें करता आतां चालू.
थँक्स आमचे CM सराक सांगता कित्याक तेंच्यांनी आमकां हांगा हाडल्या, कित्याक आमचो फ्युचरूय आसा न्ही, आमची एग्जामूय उरलेली आसा. ते एग्जाम कंप्लीट जातकीर आमकां फुडें वचपाक मेळटलें खंय कामाक जावं खंय. आनी सेकेंड आमी विश्वजीत राणे सराक आमी थँक्स म्हणटा कित्याक तेणेन वेल मेंटेन करून आमकां सगळें प्रोवायड केलें. सोशल डिस्टन्सींग मास्क तशें दिल्लें आसा आमकां, सॅनिटायझर दवरलेलें आसा, त्या खातीर आमी तांकां स्पेशली थँक्स म्हणटा.